India opens power sector bids to China linked firms. Welcome to EduRev. Today, let's understand why China linked power equipment companies are once again in the news in India. The Union government has given a limited 2-year exemption to certain China linked companies, allowing them to participate in government power sector tenders. But why is this important? Since 2020, India has followed stricter rules for companies from countries that share a land border with India. These rules were introduced mainly because critical sectors such as power, telecom, transport, and infrastructure are directly linked with national security. One important term here is Press Note 3. Press Note 3 is a policy framework under which companies from neighboring countries need prior government approval before investing or participating in sensitive sectors in India. Now, the exemption does not mean that all restrictions have been removed. It is a limited approval for specific companies and for a fixed period. The government has also clarified that this decision should not be treated as a precedent for future cases. Why has this exemption been given? India's power sector needs specialized equipment such as transformers, transmission systems, electrical components, and high voltage machinery. In some areas, domestic supply may not be sufficient or may require more time. So, the government has to balance two priorities: national security and infrastructure development. For UPSC aspirants, this topic is important because it connects India China relations, foreign investment policy, energy security, public procurement, and critical infrastructure. Remember this for prelims. DPIIT is the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. It plays an important role in investment and industrial policy. For mains, you can use this topic in answers related to economic security, strategic autonomy, Make in India, and foreign direct investment. This topic is highly relevant for GS Paper 2 and GS Paper 3. Stay connected, and for more UPSC current affairs, download the EduRev app. Thank you.